first ones here. Comment below what movie that is from. It's one of my favorite movies. So, hi everyone, my name is Gina Schweppe. In case you are new here, I am about to head into Target to share with you guys the best deals over at Target starting the 1st of September through the 7th. Apparently, since it's September 1st, it's Christmas time because my daughter, she was watching some Christmas like songs on her tablet this morning, and I was like, Scarlett, you gotta wait until Christmas. And she said, no mom, Christmas is coming. So happy Christmas season, apparently. So let's go inside Target and take a look at some of the awesome deals. Alrighty guys, so we are starting our deals in the baby section. So we have a nice deal on baby products. So when you spend $100 or more in diapers, wipes, baby food, formula, toiletries, and bottles, you're gonna get a $20 Target gift card, and you can do this online. So you can do the Up and Up box diaper route if you want. You could buy 5 of the Up and Up brand diapers. You'll pay, I think it's $109.98, and then you get that $20 Target gift card back, which makes it $89.98 for all 5 boxes, or roughly about $17.99 a box. Now we also have some Ibotta rebates. So there is a $1 back on Ibotta for the Johnson & Johnson shampoo, and then there's a separate one for the conditioner, and then there are $3 Ibottas for the Up and Up brand formulas, so the Target brand formulas, and there's about 3 different ones. So great deals on some baby products here at Target. All right, so great sale on the Starbucks coffee. So they are $5.99 when you buy 3 of them. So you save $2 per bag when you buy 3. So great deal on some Starbucks coffee. Great deal on the Celestial Seasons teas. So they are priced for $2.49 each. And we have a printable $1 off 2 coupon. I'll have linked below for you guys. And we have Ibotta offers that you can submit twice. So when you use the coupon and Ibotta, it makes it 99 cents. Alright you guys, so the Two Good yogurts are priced for $1.49. We have printable 50-cent off 2 coupons, and we have Ibotta rebates. So when you combine your printable coupons and your Ibotta rebates, these come out to 74 cents. So great deal on the Two Good yogurts here at Target. Alright you guys, so we have a 40% off Cartwheel for the Tasties ice cream. So it's going to take $1.99 off, so it makes the tub of ice cream just $3. Alright, so fantastic deal on the Mott's applesauce. So the Mott's applesauces are priced for $2.09, and we have 75 cents back on 2 Ibotta offers and $1 off 2 coupons from the 728 Smart Source. So final cost is 84 cents. Which is a great deal. And then also look out for some clearance. I'm seeing $1.68 for the 6-pack, and then I think this is a really good deal, $1.94 for the big tub of, this is the 46 ounce. All right, you guys, so great deal on some Method antibacterial spray. So the Method all-purpose cleaners, they're priced for $3.29. We have a 75 cent cash back, so that drops us down to $2.54, and you can do this deal up to 5 times. So this is a killer deal. So definitely stock up on your Method sprays here at Target. You could also do it on the Method granite spray as well. So I am loving this deal. So since you guys enjoy my dancing so much, I'm going to insert a clip from what happened this past week in Vegas. Now I'm excited. You got to get my sound effects in, like the horses song. We don't have to pick up the dogs tomorrow. Don't worry, Mom. I'm not drunk, I'm just excited because I won $17 from Vegas playing the Simpsons slot. We don't have to pick up the dogs tomorrow. I don't need to drink my bang to get through the day.
'Cause she drank the cider.
I drank the cider that gave me heartburn in the Bellagio buffet.
And what else did it give you?
It gave me the gas and it blamed on Chris.
And what else?
And don't have to go get the dog.
Oh, she's changing the subject.
It's back into the chorus. We don't have to pick up the dogs tomorrow. Okay. You're not living life unless you're having fun, right? Okay, so the next deal I'm going to share with you guys is on the Windex. So same deal that ran last week. They are buy one, get one 20%. We have printable 75% off coupons, so final cost is going to be $221 if you have those 75% off coupons. And if you guys haven't seen my 10 items that I love from couponing, that I've discovered from couponing, the Windex multi-surface is in that video, so I'm going to have it linked below for you guys if you want to see my other favorites. All right, you guys, so my next deal is going to be on the one bars. So this is a 4-pack of bars. They're gluten-free, 20 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar. This is not your granny's cobbler is the flavor of this one, but they're priced for $7.99, and they're buy one, get one 25% off, and we have dollar cashbacks on Ibotta. So it makes them $12.99 for both after your cashback, or $6.49 a box. Starting cost is $7.99. So if these are bars that you enjoy, then this could be a good deal for you. All right, you guys, I literally just found a dupe for the Michael Kors perfume, like the original. It's the Pacifica Tahitian Gardenia. It smells exactly the same, and the rollerball is $3.58. So if you like the Michael Kors perfume, I'm gonna have this link below. Just get it at Target. It smells amazing. Oh my God. Yes. Okay, so we have a nice deal on some Pantene hair masks. My Target doesn't have it, but the 1-pack Pantene mask, which I used on my hair yesterday, and my hair feels amazing. I got mine at CVS, but they're priced for $1.99, and you can use that 5 off 3 P&G coupon on the mask, which is great. So final cost comes out to 97 cents for all 3 of them. So that is a killer deal, you guys. And I'm still in like euphoria with discovering that dupe for the Michael Kors perfume. Like, holy heck. $3.79, no, $3.97 versus like 80 bucks. What? All right, so the Simply Light orange juice, there is a 40% off Cartwheel, and you can use that on top of the $2 sale price. So this is gonna be $1.20 after that Cartwheel. So that's a really great deal. My store doesn't have the Simply Light orange juice, but just look out for the Simply Light. The Cartwheel is only gonna work on that variety. So great deal if you can find it. All right, so the Starbucks iced lattes and iced coffees, there is a 25% off Target Cartwheel, so it's gonna take $1.29 off, so it makes it $4.15. A really nice deal, especially if you enjoy the Starbucks like iced beverage drinks. All right, so we have a 40% off Target Cartwheel for the Nature's Own perfectly crafted white bread. So it's priced for $2.39, and there is a 40% off Target Cartwheel to make it $1.44. And you guys, if you are into white bread, this is delicious. Holy crap. So if you're new to Target couponing and you want to know like how to use your Target Cartwheel, I have a video for you guys explaining how to use your Target Cartwheel. So make sure you check out that video, which I always have linked below in my Target in-store video. Okay, the vibe changes like every song. First you get 80s, and then you kind of have like some like, I don't know, 70s lounge music. I don't know how to explain it, but different vibe every single song. So it keeps you on your toes, Club Target. Okay, so my last deal I'm going to share with you guys is on the Baby Ganix laundry detergent. My store doesn't have it. It's the 60 ounce. So there is a 30% off Target Cartwheel, which I think is really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Target in-store shopping video. There are some great things. And I even found like a new dress also. Isn't this cute? Look at these. Look at these colors for the fall. There's like pink, like blush, burgundy, and then the stripes are going down vertical. Thank you, Target, for putting the stripes in a very flattering pattern for us ladies. So thank you, Target. Thank you, Exhilaration. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. So I'm gonna leave a link below to my couponer shirt. So I made a shirt that says, hold on, I have a coupon for that. And then on the back it says, switch lanes, I am a couponer. So I will have that linked below. It's launched again for another 3 weeks. If you guys want to get your shirt, then you can go ahead and order with the link below. So I hope you guys have a fantastic holiday weekend. Enjoy your Labor Day, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.